This video is to show you how to set prerequisites, which is an amazing feature. Here, this little flag says that you must have a prerequisite completed. You must do practice quiz 1.4 or whatever in order to take the quiz. Down here, you can also set it up with an OR, and that is an exclusive OR, where you can complete one of 2 tasks, or 3 tasks, or 4 tasks. It's very customizable, and here's how we do it. Say we are going to make a quiz. Then we modify, manage quizzes. This is a process that should be very familiar to you about this time. Let's create an assignment, create a quiz. I'm going through it quickly just to reaffirm your knowledge of the process. Let's call it practice. I think that's how you spell practice. Maybe it isn't. And then I click next. Let's just go ahead and say real numbers. 1.3, and then translate all objectives. My questions are as such. Let me just choose a few so that we have some in this quiz, and then we add them. Now we're here. We've loaded our quiz up. Let's make it available today. Let's make it due next week. And here's the part I want to show you right here on prerequisites. Let's change the prerequisites. So this was for 1.3. Let's make the homework required for 1.3. Homework 1.3 is going to be required to take the quiz. Now we can set a minimum score. Let's just say they have to have 60% on homework 1.3 before they can attempt this quiz. And then this sets it for all attempts. It'll keep the best score. Now, add an alternate. You can have more than one prerequisite for an item. Say you wanted to have them complete homework 1.3, 1.4, 1.5 before they take the quiz for 1.3, 1.4, 1.5. You can add all of those here. Let's do 1.2 and 1.4. And you know what? Maybe you want to set up that OR. Here's how the OR works. You click on the alternate prerequisites and it'll pop this up, and then that gives you your exclusive OR. So now they can do 1.1, 1.2, homework 1.3 through 1.4 before they take the quiz, or you can just have them do the multimedia assignment for that. And then of course you can set the prerequisites on each one of these. If you don't set a minimum score, then all they have to do is click on the assignment and then get out, and the quiz will be available. It's just, I don't know, preferential. So, let's see what that looks like. Now that we've added the prerequisites, it's set it up like this, with those prereqs there, and then that OR, this one here. And you can, all the other buttons are for quizzes. Let's save this and assign it so that we can see what it looks like. Here, this is practice. And it's listed here where we can start it and we can do it. Let's go and try to take it. If we try to take the practice, it's going to have a little flag next to it, and there's the settings that we set up. And that's how you set the prerequisites, where those top 3 need to be mastered, or that bottom one needs to have some level of mastery before this flag is removed and looks like this one. We're free to take this one, but we can't take this one until that flag is removed. That completes the tutorial on how to set a prerequisite.